Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to change profile picture on Monopoly Go. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So to change profile pictures or avatars the most multiplayer games in the world. It's pretty common to do that, so they're kind of mandatory at this point for both players and developers, and while not having the ability to change your profile picture is no way or a deal breaker, it's still important as many players do love having profile pictures in their games, such as this Monopoly Go. So the Monopoly Go also has a profile picture feature, and many players have been looking forward to a way to change or alter their profile picture in game. So how do you do it? So I'm gonna teach you how. So don't worry about changing too much about your profile picture in the game. It's quite easy. It will take only a minute or two. So if you follow these short instructions thoroughly, to start, just open the game and click on the main menu. And here in the top right corner, as you can see, that your profile picture will be default or pre-assigned as one. As you can see here, I have a teddy bear. So as you can see there, that there's a pretty big difference. All players, and unlike some other games, you can't directly change your profile picture. Instead, you'll also have to use your Facebook account. So you just connect it right here, and then it will use your Facebook account's profile picture. In the same profile picture menu, you will see the Facebook, as you can see right there, and just connect it as I just said, and just sign in and give permission to the Facebook account. Doing so will apply the profile picture of your Facebook account to the Monopoly Go in the future. If you want to change or alter your profile picture in the Monopoly Go, you just have to change it in your Facebook account. So basically, that's just how you change your profile picture on Monopoly Go. If you like this video, please subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. See you again next time.